Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus S.H.Figuarts Gojo figures. We'll dive deep into what makes each line unique, focusing on their sculpt quality, the range of movement they offer, and the exciting accessories that come with them. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of their differences, helping you make an informed decision on which Satoru Gojo figure is the perfect addition to your collection. Let's explore these fantastic collectibles together and find out which one truly stands out for you. Figma Gojo figures are renowned for their exceptional sculpts, meticulously replicating the character's design from the anime. Standing at approximately 150 millimeters, they offer a premium feel. You can expect a generous array of accessories, including multiple expressive faceplates, various hand gestures, and signature items like his blindfold or special effect parts. Their robust articulation allows for incredibly dynamic and stable poses, making them a favorite for collectors who appreciate both detail and posability in their figures. S.H.Figuarts Gojo figures are celebrated for their cutting-edge articulation, designed to achieve highly dynamic and fluid poses. Also standing at about 150 millimeters, they are built for action. Collectors can anticipate a solid assortment of accessories, including different head sculpts, numerous hand options, and powerful effect parts to enhance battle scenes. The focus here is often on recreating iconic moments with incredible realism and movement, appealing to those who love to display their figures in energetic, action-packed stances. Deciding which figure is better ultimately depends on your personal collecting priorities. If you prioritize highly accurate sculpts and a broader range of expressive faces for more nuanced displays, Figma might be your ideal choice. However, if achieving the most dynamic, action-packed poses and recreating intense battle scenes is your goal, S.H.Figuarts often has the edge with its advanced articulation. Both lines offer exceptional quality, typically priced between $60 and $120, ensuring a fantastic Satoru Gojo for any collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.